Now you can stop your breakup, divorce, or lover's rejection, even if your situation seems hopeless. If you'll take my hand, I'll show you exactly what to do and what to say to get your ex-lover back in your arms, especially if you're the only one trying. What if you could recapture your ex-lover's mind, heart, and soul, wipe the slate clean, turn back time, even if you feel right now that your situation is too far gone, too screwed up, or just plain too darn complicated? Surprisingly, almost every breakup, for whatever reason, infidelity, plain old lost passion, loss of interest, a stolen heart, and worse, has been salvaged. If you're in pain and confused, here's some good news. Look, after helping over 50,000 people in 77 countries, I know a thing or two about salvaging relationships, and I can help you salvage yours too. The techniques, principles, and advice you'll receive have helped hundreds of men and women just like you win back the mind, heart, and soul of the ones they love. Will you allow me to help you too? Life is too short. Take the next step. Contact me right now.